Kevin Harvick. Number 4, Stewart-Haas Racing Ford.
Denny Hamlin. Number 11, Joe Gibbs Racing Toyota.
Martin Truex Jr., number 19, Joe Gibbs Racing Toyota.
Kyle Busch. Number 18, Joe Gibbs Racing Toyota.
Joey Logano. Number 22, Team Penske Ford.
Eric Almirola. Number 10, Stewart-Haas Racing Ford.
Chase Elliott, number 9, Hendrick Motorsports Chevrolet.
Kurt Busch, number 1, Chip Ganassi Racing Chevrolet.
Matt DiBenedetto, number 21, Wood Brothers Racing Ford.
Starting in the 10th position is going to be Kaz Grala, because normally driving the number 3 is Austin Dillon. Kaz Grala filling in for Austin Dillon because he just tested positive for COVID-19. Kaz Grala becoming only the 3rd driver to drive the famed number 3 since 1984. The starting grid's going to continue along the left side. We have the opportunity, I guess, when we see a Kaz Grala coming in here, difficult for Austin Dillon, right, Jeff?
It is difficult. I talked to Austin this morning. Obviously, he hates missing this race. But he wanted to tell everybody, all the fans, thank you for all the prayers and the well wishes. He's feeling pretty good, and he wants to get back in Dover. That's his plan, to get back to Dover, get back in this race car.
Yeah, and he's never, since he started his Cup Series and NASCAR career, he's never missed a race until this one. He needs 2 negative tests to be able to get back into his car with at least 24 hours in between those 2 negative tests. Jimmy Johnson had to go through the same parameters for him to get back into the 48 when he had tested positive earlier before the Indy race.